hat is a lifesaver because my hair is a mess. Hello and welcome back. That's my impression of if you're a Brit.
Oh, fuck me right in the ass, huh?
So, and welcome to my YouTube channel, because I have no friends at the moment because of lockdown. Like, I think most people have no friends. Well, actually, that's probably not true. Just me. I'm alone. I'm still at university. University? I don't know why I said it like that, but university. Because I said most people probably gone home because they're not stupid. So, like, everyone in my flat has gone home and I'm alone. But, you know, loneliness can bring many good things. Is what I tell myself at least. I've wasted the whole of lockdown. I feel like people are trying to make use of this lockdown, but I'm just like, sitting on my bed most of the time watching Netflix. But I did watch Game of Thrones. So I've completed some. Actually, that said, I'm still on season 5. So well, anyway, in this video, I wanted to my hair isn't exactly great, but I'm trying to improve that. I did this online test. My friend suggested it to me, and what they did, it shows you your hair type. I'm apparently 3C. I don't know how accurate it is, but like the pictures of the hair looked similar to what my hair looks like. So it suggested some products, and because I bought products like Shin Moisture, but oh wait, it's backwards. Actually, it'll probably flip on the other side. But it says, well, it's like the Curl and Shine shampoo, but it's for thick and curly hair. I have curly hair, but it's not actually that thick. Like in the test, it shows you to like part your hair, and if you see it, your scalp, I think that means it's not as thick as it could be in comparison to other people's hair. Other people's hair. So.
What up? I'm Jared, I'm 19, and I never fucking learned how to read.
And I also watched another YouTube video where it says, like, my type of hair isn't what this is for. It's for, like, really thick hair. As, well, oh my god. I'm not explaining it very well, but you probably get the gist. So, yeah. So, the website, which I'll probably link down, I don't know if I've already said that, but I'll link it down in the description, suggested me some, like, products to use, which hopefully will be better. Because I always buy products, but then, you know, I use them, and then it's, like, my hair's still frizzy, even though on the bottle it says anti-frizz, so it gets rather disappointing. I bought, this Cantu curl activator as well. It wasn't too bad. It definitely did make my hair more curly. It did actually help. I was just I don't know. I used diffuser, which I probably should have just let it air dry because it still had some frizz after it. But it was definitely good. I do recommend it. But apparently it has, I can't remember what it says, sulfate or something. I can't really remember what it was. Something beginning with the S, I'm pretty sure. So probably not a good video to be watching because I'm not exactly, you know, inclined when it comes to knowledge. But it's apparently not good for hair that's been damaged. And I went for a phase when I was younger, just straightening my hair, and then, oh my god. And so I don't think this has worked as well as it would with someone else. But that said, I have no knowledge about hair at all. It's just from what I've been told over the years. So you can't. So what I'm saying is, don't quote me on it. Don't quote me. So yeah, back to the products that I have now. I bought. It says it's for my hair 3C. It's a leave-in conditioner by African Pride. This one. So I don't know if it's going to be good or not, but I'm gonna try it. And then I also bought, oh my god, why did I leave everything? I used it to balance up my phone like an idiot. So I feel like I'm probably gonna have to wash my hair. I'm gonna wash my hair with if I just use this and this shampoo. I don't know how good they are. I'm gonna be honest with you. I just bought it in the like, you know, hair care section for like, you know, curly hair. So I'm gonna shower now. Oh no. Okay. I'll just put this in my hair. Yeah. I'm just gonna put in this now. So I'm gonna, well, it says to leave it in for 3 to 5 minutes so it penetrates. So I'm just gonna put it in my hair and give it a generous amount. Maybe a bit too much, but I will. I'm gonna put it in my hair and make sure I get everywhere. A lot better. But like how curly my hair is now, it's quite soft as well. So I'm just gonna put some of this in it. Come on, focus. Oh, there you go. That thing in it. That and this that I showed earlier. So don't know which one I should put in first. I just need to mix it. I'm gonna put this in first because why not? I don't know how much I'm going to put in. Don't really. I'll show you. I guess I'll show you when it dries. It probably takes about an hour or so to dry. I guess it's starting to curl up already. Okay, so it's been like an hour and a half. I don't know, a bit longer than that maybe. And my hair should be dry. So I'm just going to take this off for the grand reveal. Actually, I think it's a lot curlier, isn't it? Let's see how the bounce. It's not that bouncy, but it's definitely a lot curlier. So, if this is what you're looking for, maybe those are the products for you. I used this. How do they do it? Let me just tap on it. Leave-in conditioner, and I also use the curling cream. So I don't know if this video has helped you. Feel free to give a like, comment, share, whatever people like. I don't know, to help. So in the description should be the products as well if I can be bothered to do that. But you should be able to search it up anyway and find it on like Amazon. So yeah, peace out.